Let's dive into this week's top stories. The Department of Health and Human Services warns healthcare organizations about a vulnerability in the MOVEit platform. The vulnerability could expose sensitive patient data to cyber attacks. The alert says the company behind it has released a fix, but now cyber criminals are targeting the exploit code. Healthcare organizations are encouraged to identify any instances of MOVEit in their infrastructure and prioritize patching them. An Iowa emergency room doctor pleads guilty to illegally accessing patient records and sharing sensitive photos. Dr. Gabriel Hernandez Roman admitted to accessing personal health records of people who were not his patients during his emergency medicine residency in Iowa. In one instance, he took a picture of a patient's medical condition, then sent it to someone over Snapchat. He faces 5 years in prison and a $250,000 fine. United Health confirming what type of medical and patient data was stolen in that massive Change Healthcare ransomware attack that affected 1/3 of Americans' health data. 6 terabytes of data were stolen, including health insurance details, medical records, billing information, and personal information like social security numbers. Breach notifications will be mailed out at the end of July. The ransomware group Black Cat claimed responsibility for that attack. The data of nearly 800,000 people is stolen in a cyber attack at the Ann and Robert H. Lurie Children's Hospital of Chicago. Someone hacked into its system in late January and stole social security numbers, medical conditions, addresses, driver's license numbers, and prescription information. In response, the hospital took phone, email, and electronic systems offline, as well as the hospital's MyChart patient portal. The hospital wasn't fully back up and running until late May. The ransomware group Karakurt claimed responsibility for that attack. OSHA is investing $12.7 million in training grants for employee safety and health initiatives nationwide. The Susan Harwood Training Grant Program aims to create safer work environments by training and educating employers, workers, and vulnerable populations. It will focus on industries with historically high injury, illness, and fatality rates.